Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where everyone makes money. Okay? Where to place, stop loss, where to enter, and where to take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us. Hello, Al Negro, Matthew, Klein, Angela, Chris Cruz, Amaya, Jean, R.A. Thank you for joining us. Happy Valentine's Day. So, thank you for joining us in spite of your Valentine's activities. You are here and we appreciate you joining us, okay? That's highly appreciated. Okay. So, how's your Valentine? Hello. Okay. Okay, thank you for suggesting coin. Feel free to suggest coins, okay? So we will not give specific signal for our live, okay? We will send our specific signal in our Telegram community. So make sure you are part of our Telegram community, okay? So for those who wants to know how to join our raffle, just comment 20 USDT and make sure you have shared it to other social medias, okay? Most specifically, put it in other exchanges like Binance, okay? Like you post our live in Binance Exchange community in Facebook, okay? So those who are also interested to learn technical analysis will be able to see it, okay? So share our live to crypto related groups, okay? Okay. So basic technical analysis you must learn. So what are the basic technical analysis that you can learn? So for our newbies, do we have newbies here? Yes. And for the most basic will be the candlestick. Okay? So once you get a grasp of this candlestick, you can understand more the market, where it is going, okay? So this is bullish pin bar. So if you see a pin bar, then that's a bullish pin bar. This is pin bar. Bullish harami. So two pin bars, red and green. Let's see. Do we have any pin bars here? This one is pin bar. This one too, pin bar. So it went up. Okay, bullish pin bar. Okay, let's find other pin bar right here. Okay, these two also pin bar to the upside. Okay. For our time frame, maybe we can find some pin bars here. Okay, here 1, 2, and then went up. Okay, those are pin bars. Here 2 pin bars to the upside. This one looks doji. Okay, hard to spot the pin bars, right? This one. Okay. Hello, Myla. Thank you for joining us. It is 20 USDT, right? That's great. Okay, watching. Okay, so that is pin bar. And this one is bullish harami. Okay. Okay, so for those who are learning, this is bullish harami, big red, small green. Let's check it out. Big red, small green. Big red, small green. Okay, for our time frame. Big red, small green. This one. This is harami. Okay. Oops. These two. Big red, small green. And then the next candle is green. Okay, here. Big red, small green. So the next candle is a green candle also. A bullish candle also. So that is for our bullish harami. Another one, this one. Bullish harami also this one. Big red, small green. Then to the upside. Okay, so it's a bullish candle. Okay. Another bullish engulfing. Small red, big green. Small red, big green. So this one. Oops. Okay, small red, big green. Then it went up to the upside. Okay. So that's how it works. So this is for the bullish engulfing. The morning star is big red, small green, big green. Big red, small green, and big green. Morning star. Here. Okay, big red, small green, big green, and then went up. Okay. So that's what we are looking at in our bullish candles morning star. Okay, bullish engulfing, bullish harami, bullish pin bar. Okay, so this is for our basic technical analysis you must learn. You can see it in even any other market. Okay, not just in Bitcoin. You can use it in DXY. You can see it in Dow Jones. This one is DXY. Oh, dollar is pumping. Maybe that's why. Dollar is pumping. Maybe that's why. Bitcoin is dumping. Okay, it reached the bottom in this one is 100 moving average. It found support and then started pumping. So we have a pump right here. Okay. So let's find some art that I have talked. This one is bullish engulfing. Okay. This one is big red, small green, big green. This one is morning star. Okay. This one is bullish harami. Okay. Engulfing, bullish engulfing. Okay. This one is morning star. Okay, let's find this one is morning star. Okay. Okay. So basically, what you see is you can see it also in other like Netflix, the same technical charts that you see in cryptocurrency, you can also find it in these coins. Okay, for our time frame, where was for our time? Okay, for our time frame. Okay, so this one is Morningstar Netflix. Okay, so price of Netflix right now is currently in 391. Okay. Okay, so that is how our candlestick pattern works. Okay. Tesla is already in 800. Ooh. I shorted it when it was still here in 1.2. So I saw it. I saw this one through the awesome oscillator. Look at the awesome oscillator. Let me check the daily time frame. Here. It's higher high, but it's twin peaks to the downside. Okay, so now it crossed already to the downside. This one can reach up to 400, even up to 463. The Netflix. Okay, can even go lower. It's overpriced right now. Okay. So basically, the candlestick that we are learning will not only be applied here, but can also be applied in others, okay? It can also be applied in other charts, okay? So, if you are... Hello everyone. Hello. Hello Gabriel. Hello, thank you for joining us. If you are a November baby or December baby, then you were created in February. Okay, so your parents created you in February. So if your birthday is in November or December earlier, okay. So now let's check our Bitcoin news. Okay, so what's the news for today on Bitcoin? Do we have a pumping news or a dumping news? Okay, Bitcoin breakout will will Bitcoin go above 45k next week? Okay, so this is a question that is asked. Many bears have taken a wait and see position. Oh. Can the Bitcoin price rise above 45k in the coming week? Receive as okay. This week the price of Bitcoin surged 45k, 45,000 for the first time in a month. This is after falling below 40k amid a torrent of negative political and financial market news. As of February 13, the cryptocurrency is trading at 42 level. Can the Bitcoin price rise above 45 in the coming week? And if not, how long will it take for BTC to regain its positive momentum? Okay, so how long will it take, okay, for BTC to regain the positive Bitcoin breakout room for growth? At the end of this week, Bitcoin was trending towards 40k retest. However, the coin still has room for growth. Okay. So currently, the main resistance level for Bitcoin is the 45k mark, 45,000 mark. Despite a large number of orders placed in the 40 range, many bears have taken a wait and see position as the crypto market remains closely linked to stock indices and is very sensitive to geopolitical risk. Okay, so when there is a bad news, it can affect Bitcoin. There is a war, it can affect Bitcoin also. Bitcoin breakout, not in February. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen predicted that in the most optimistic scenario, Bitcoin could return to growth no early than 3 weeks. Such a prediction is based on historical data. The fact is, it takes an average of 3 to 6 months for cryptocurrency to regain its value after dropping below the support level of the bull market. After that, the asset usually return to growth. Okay? The bull market support level is formed from the 20-week simple moving average. Okay, 20 SMA and the 21-week exponential moving average EMA. At that moment, the bull market support level is at the range of 45 to 50. Okay, so we will make the 45,000 to 50,000 support in 3 weeks. Okay, that's from Benjamin Cohen. Okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge slumps amid Ukraine crisis, but there are bullish signs ahead of Valentine's Day. Okay, there is a bullish sign in Valentine's Day. It's not a red day. Bitcoin, negative. Okay, cryptocurrency, Theta, T-Fuel, Celsius, TL. Profit. Why it matters. Okay. DXY bearish engulfing week to confirm a move below 95.13 would do it. In the meantime, bearish divergence on the RSI. Okay, if DXY is bearish, let's see. We have bullish divergence in DXY. Okay, but in monthly time frame we have Harami, bearish Harami. So this is a bearish sign for DXY. Okay. Okay. So this one is, meanwhile, a key metric indicates that Bitcoin are being held instead of being traded, which could be construed as bullish. Okay, so the hodlers are going up. So many bullish. Casino data shows that the amount of Bitcoin supply last active 1 to 2 year has reached a 14-month high, 3.02 million BTC. So the growing hodlers. Okay, this is bullish. Okay, not in trades but in hodling. Okay, so this one is a bearish news. TA technical analysis, Bitcoin breaks key support, why BTC could dive below 40k. So we are expecting a dive below 40k from this news. Bitcoin traded below an important zone, price is trading below the key. There is a key bearish trend line forming with resistance in 42,200 on the hourly chart of the BTC pair. The pair could decline further if it fails to recover above 42.8 zone. Okay, so we are now forming a bearish zone here. 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay, this is what it's talking about. Okay. If it's bearish, then the breakout of it will be to the upside. Okay, if it's channeled down, the breakout is to the upside. Okay, so this is our price target for that breakout here. Okay, 1, 2 bears only, not yet. 1, 2, 3, okay. 3 bears and 3 bulls. So if it breaks to the upside, then we can expect more to the upside. Okay. So this is for our Bitcoin. I am just doing the TA. Okay, I just did this TA right here. So it's measuring from this top. Okay. 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 So this is some bearish sign right here. Hello to our 11 viewers. Hello Ariel, Mia, and John Zamudio. Good evening. Good evening. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay. So if Bitcoin fails to start a fresh increase above 42,850, it could continue to move down. An immediate support on the downside is near 41.6 zone. Okay, so we can expect the bottom to be 41.6. Okay. So this is what it's talking about, the 41.6. Okay. The MACD is now gaining pace in the bearish zone. The RSI is now below the 50 level. Major support level 41.6. Major resistance level 42.2, 42.8. Okay. Resistance is 42.2, 42.8, and 43. Okay. 42.2. Okay, 42.2, 42.8. Okay, and then 43. So this is from their TA. Okay, so that's the resistance, major resistance. Okay. Okay. Peter Schiff shares bearish technical patterns predict rapid Bitcoin crash. Okay, let's look at this Bitcoin crash. Schiff bets on 10,000. Okay, 10,000 price. As the chairman of Schiff Gold suggests, the drop of Bitcoin below 30,000 will almost immediately launch the cryptocurrency to 10K, since nothing on the long-term chart protects Bitcoin from falling to the aforementioned support zone. Oh, that's scary. Here is a long-term chart of Bitcoin. Imagine how bad this chart will look once the Bitcoin breaks below 30,000. A drop to 10K would seem like a lock, but there's no reason to believe that level would hold up as a permanent floor. If this double tap completes, the real floor is 0. This one doesn't believe in Bitcoin, really. Okay, Bitcoin to 0. That's interesting take right there. Okay. But why the economists predict a fall to extreme low? He still thinks that Bitcoin has a long way to fall and may even reach the absolute low and lose all of its value gained during the year. Schiff's analysis is based on the widely known technical pattern called double tap, which quite often marks the top of a bullish rally and is considered finished when a price falls below the neckline. Okay. He's talking about this double tap right here. Okay. That's interesting take. Let me show you what he's talking about. He's talking about this one, double tap. Okay. And then his breakout price is right here. The 30. Here. So if we have a price target from top to bottom, this target will be right here. And the price will be 17, not even 10. He wants to predict the 10. Okay. So what do we have here? So this is interesting take, okay? To see Bitcoin. How accurate is Schiff's prediction? According to the weekly Bitcoin chart, the double top pattern is not as accurate as it should be. In addition to low accuracy, the formation itself does not seem to look finished, as Bitcoin has successfully bounced from 35 and reached 45 recently. That's right. Okay, I'll share to you RTA later, okay, with Bitcoin. But here we can see that it's not, this one is inaccurate, okay? So it's already invalidated. Okay? Let's see why it's invalidated. Okay, so that's our news for today. Some news for Bitcoin. Okay, so for our weekly time frame, let's check Bitcoin. Okay, this is a weekly time frame, and this is, we call this one a pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork. So you put it in top, A, B, C. So the reaction high and the reaction low, and then the start. Okay, the start of the trend. Okay, so we put it here, and the blue zone is a support zone, and the upper blue zone is the resistance zone, and this middle right here acts like a magnet. Okay, that the candle will be drawn in the middle. Okay, it usually gets drawn in the middle. Okay, So for our, and this is 2013 Bitcoin price, and this one is 2022. This is a long journey of Bitcoin, and it has been respecting the pitchfork. Okay, it's been trading in this area, in the pitchfork area. So if this continues, then it means it's going to the upside, because we went to the support zone and then crossed the trading area, the middle, and then went to the upside, which is the resistance zone, and then went down again and went down again, and we haven't even touched the resistance area. We have been staying here for a long time. So I think it's time for us to move to the upside. Okay? It's time for us to move to the outside. We have reached already the support zone area. And now if we get a magnet to the middle, our price will be right here. That's 109,000. Okay, for Bitcoin price. If we go higher, then that's 265,000. If our pump is so strong that we reach the resistance area, then that would be 588,000. Okay? This is a price projection for Bitcoin in a long term. Okay, and that is possible also. You see, when we had this price here, 912, and then the analyst will tell you our price target will be in 22,000. Will you believe that from 900 it can reach 22,000? You won't, right? Because that's a lot. That's too much. Okay? But it did happen. It went to the it got magnetized in the middle, where you can take profit already with 4,300 for the price. But because it needs to go to the resistance, then it's 22,000. Okay? And then it went down again, and then the short price will be from 22,000. The analyst again told you that the price will be 3,191. Will you agree that, will you listen to that person? That the next low, the bear market will be starting from 3,191? You won't, right? You will not believe, because you are seeing a 22,000 price of Bitcoin. How come it's gonna go down that deep? Yeah, it went. Okay? And then you stayed longer in the support zone, to the point that you even broke it once and then went inside again. This is a strong break here. Then it's supposed to go to the upside. Okay? Because we have stayed so long in this area of bear zone, or the support, then we are supposed to enter the resistance area. But we haven't. So what are we expecting for Bitcoin? Okay? So if the technical analyst told you that in 65,000, that is not yet all-time high. From 3,193, we are still in the support zone. And then he will tell you that we can make at least 58,000. Are you going to listen to that analyst? Who just predicted a 58,000 out of nowhere? No. It's from Andrew's pitchfork. And this pitchfork is seldom used, okay? But you can also always find this pitchfork, okay? Even in 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame here. 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin. Okay, beginning and then here. So we are still inside, and we are already bottom in the pitchfork, so we can expect more to the upside. Okay? So going back, let's check here. If from 6,589, that analyst will tell you we can reach 58,000, you will not listen to that person. Okay? So if we say that we have already bounced here, because this is 100 moving average. Okay, we bounce also here in 100 moving average. Okay, 100 moving average. We found this as a good support in this area. So now we found it here again. Let me pull out the 200 moving average. Okay. So 200 moving average also found support here. Here, 200 moving average found support. Found support 200. Found support 200. And this one is 200 right here below. Okay. Maybe just woke up. Got tired, right? Because it's February 14. Okay. So here we are bouncing in 100 moving average, okay? So we are going to the upside. Okay, so thank you for your concern, Angela. My wife is laughing beside me. Okay, so going back. So this is our price target for Bitcoin. If we get magnetized again in the middle of the Andrew's pitchfork, then we can expect a 109 price target. And then the other is 265. Our bottom would most likely here in 27. But we already bounced in this 100 moving average. Okay? Okay. Let's check the weekly time frame closer. Okay, we have opened a new candle, and from this new time frame, in weekly time frame, we have seen sideways currently. Let's pull out the Ichimoku cloud. We are still inside the cloud, but let me tell you something. We have broken something. Okay, this is this line right here. Let me pull out the price target right here. 41,736. Okay, let me pull it higher. Okay. This one is the breakout price for our head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And then breakout to the downside. But what happened? It entered again to the upside. Okay? So, meaning, if it entered again to the upside, we have invalidated the head and shoulder pattern. Okay? This pattern right here, head and shoulder, is a fake out. Okay, this is a fake out. Let me repeat that word. This is a fake out right here. So most of the bears entered here, entered here, entered here. They entered because they said that this is going down. So they entered and then it's a fake out. It went up and hit their stop losses or got liquidated. Okay, so we have so many liquidation in this area right here. So after that, we close above. Okay, we have our wick to up to 45,800. Okay, so we have broken the pattern of the uptrend, of the downtrend, I mean. Okay, so now we are building a new trend right here to the upside. So we can expect more to the upside. Okay, so in our daily time frame, this is our daily time frame. Let's remove the Ichimoku. Okay, let's remove the Ichimoku. Okay, let's do it here. Daily time frame. Okay. So in daily time frame, this is our trend. The downside. Okay, this is our trend line to the downside. And then we already broke this area here. Okay, the previous high has been broken already. Okay, we made it higher. So meaning we have broken the trend to the downside. Okay, so if there will be a retest of support, the worst case scenario will be right here. Okay, which is 32 and then goes up again. But I don't think that will happen. Okay, so this is a far. That's too much. The worst thing that we can see here is we can continue to, we have invalidated this one, so this is just a pullback, a healthy pullback right here. Okay, and then continues to the upside. Okay, so this is uptrend right here. Okay, unless we break this trend line right here, we are not entering the bear zone yet. Okay, so what is this trend line here? The price target will be right here, 41,145. Okay, if we close below this area, then we can expect more to the downside, but most likely it will pump to the upside. Let me pull out some Ichimoku. Okay, so this is our support here, so we are expecting it to continue to the upside. Okay, so welcome to our 11 viewers. Thank you for joining us in spite of February 14. Okay, I know you're all busy. Okay, and some of you are putting some angry emoji in the post of your friends in Facebook wall, right? Angry. All the posts about sweet posts, right? Flowers, chocolates. Okay, going back, this is our 4-hour time frame here, so we are still in a healthy uptrend. Okay, our 4-hour time frame close inside the Andrews pitchfork. Okay, so if it close inside, then we can expect it gets magnetized here in the middle. If we touch that, this is 45,000. Interesting. And then the next stop will be 46, and then the resistance area will be 48. Okay, there's major resistance area. This one is a major support here, so we can expect more support here. Look at the support that I draw here, trend line here. It fits here with our Ichimoku cloud. We are supposed to bounce in this area. Okay, so this will be the worst case, 41,145. Okay, so for those who are also joining our live for the first time, we have a community also, so you can feel free to join our Trade Scholar community. Okay, so you can join our Trade Scholar. So we give daily signals. Okay, so in our community, some shared their profit also with our signal yesterday. So they made money also with our long position yesterday. And then in practical groups, some also made money in our signals. Okay, 49, 58%. Okay, so they made profit also. So if you are not part yet of the community, then make sure to be part. Okay, so you can get a specific signal for you. Okay, you will be guided with the stop loss, with the take profit, and the entry. Okay, so that's our community right here. Okay, and then we will be adding one more. Okay, this one. So this is Trade Scholar subscription. Okay, this is not payment, of course. Okay, we are free community, but this one that says 100 to 500 is investment fund. This means you are trading in Ulian of a fund of 100 to 500. Okay, so that is practical. If you are putting 100 to 500, you can be member of our practical trading. Okay, and then the free community is this one. The free community is this one. Okay, so here, Trade Scholar community. This is the free community where you are just observing if you are you going to join the practical for more signals, right? Okay, so and then comes our practical group. Okay, so this is the practical which you can get a daily signals of at least twice two daily signals, one in the afternoon and one in the evening. Okay, with live technical and beginners courses. You can access our courses in our Zoom class, okay? Learning videos. We have our Zoom class, so you can access this one, okay? And then the exclusive is 500, okay? At this 500, you are trading it in Ulian. You're using the Ulian as your trading platform, okay? So Ulian is a safe platform. It is focused on registering it, okay? Registered exchange, okay? And with a coverage of USDT, okay? It's making your trading safe also, okay? So, and with the 500, you can get more than daily signals of 2 because there's exclusive signals, okay? So, if in practical, you only get Bitcoin in the afternoon, Bitcoin in the evening. Here in exclusive, you'll get XRP signals, link signals, and other coin signals, okay? So you just increase, okay? So if you are right here, you are just starting like 20 USDT, 50. You are just testing, okay? You are just trying, and now you want to try 100 up to 500, and if you want 500 or more, then you will be the first member of our exclusive where you can earn more, okay? And there is one-on-one reviewing meeting. This one-on-one reviewing meeting is, this will our co-analyst Ian will guide you, okay, with how to improve your trading strategy, okay? Because there is no perfect strategy. We just need to stick on our strategy and then stick on it and then make it better, okay? Because that fits our personality also, okay? And we can also have here advanced courses, okay? If here we just get the basic for candlestick, here we can get an advanced courses, okay? Okay, so this is for exclusive. So you just put at least a 500 USDT in your Ulian account. You then just take a screenshot and you share it to our Trade Scholar welcomer, and then you will be the first one, okay, to enjoy these exclusive benefits, okay? Okay. So our live stream is also sponsored by Ulian. Okay, so that's also one way to keep our live stream going, okay? So if you want to support our live stream, make sure you download Ulian, okay? So if you want to support, if you want this one to continue, make sure you download also Ulian app, okay? So let's continue to our Bitcoin price. So we are currently right here, and in 1 hour time frame. So this is our 1 hour time frame. You see a long volume right here, trying to pump right to the upside. Okay, it's trying to break again the Ichimoku cloud. Now we are below the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, but we have formed already bullish harami, big red, small green. So this is bullish harami. We are expecting a bigger candle here for green, okay? Okay, so if it becomes a green candle, then that can become a morning star, which can lead to another green candle to the inside, okay? So that's what we are looking at in our Bitcoin price. So if you want to trade this one, remove the Ichimoku, okay? You pull out some fib line. Okay, that's interesting. We are exactly being supported in our 0.5 to that tit, okay? To the tit. We are supported here. Bounce in the 0.5 support. So this is normal trend. Let me show you the fib line. Okay, here. So if we bounce in 0.5, we are normal trend. If we bounce in 0.382, we are a strong trend. If we bounce in 0.618, it's a weak trend. So right here, we are bouncing in the 0.5, not in 618, but in 0.5. Okay, so if we bounce here, it's still a normal trend. Then we can expect more to the upside. Okay. So signal, specific signal, I will be sharing to our practical group. Okay, so wait for our signal in the practical group. Okay, trend base fib extension from bottom to top to here. Okay, so as you can see, my price target in the Andrew's pitchfork is fits in our 0.618. That's interesting, right? That's interesting. Our 0.782. That's also interesting. Okay. So I told you, our pitchfork coincide and supported by our Fibonacci. Okay, which is excellent math right here. Okay. Okay, so what about a member of practical group already but have lesser than 100 USDT fund? Okay, that's a great question. You can ask our Telegram community. Okay, so what's their answer about it? But I think because you're already there, that's a good start already. Okay, since this is new one, so the next batch will be able to enter at least if they have 100 USDT. Okay, so that's what I think for you guys who are first comer, right? So that's the benefit of the first time, first serve. Okay. So thank you for this for our technical analysis for Bitcoin for 1 hour time frame. So if you want to trade this one, we'll give the specific signals, okay? For the entry, take profit, and the stop loss, okay? And if you know already, you are already starting to read the market, then you know where to enter. I just provided you the fib lines. So if you have already observed how I do my entry, then you know our entry for this one, okay? Okay. So let's check other coins. Do we have any suggested coins here? Let's do some TA. Okay, BNB. Congratulations again, by the way, to our winners yesterday, Sunday, right? So RA was cold, but she's not around. She celebrated Valentine's ahead. Okay, so RA was not around, so Amaya Shin got the 10 USDT. Okay, so I hope you already have your prizes. Okay, so I hope you all got your prizes already. And John Zamudio also won 20 USDT. Okay, and the 1 5 USDT, I can't remember the name, but I can. It's a song, right? I don't remember the name. Okay, so we're gonna check BNB right now. So let's see what's in BNB. Okay, this is a Binance coin, and if you observe USDT, if you observe our Ulian, it looks like Binance. So you can say that it can be the next Binance. Okay, you can say that it can be the next Binance. And once the Ulian launches its own coin, okay, that would go to 100,000x. Okay, that would be awesome. Okay, so we are looking at right now BNB, and we are currently at the bottom, 394. This is the bottom of Binance. Okay, this one, it's a strong support here. Okay, strong resistance. Okay, you see, resistance, and then resistance broke out, then support, now support. Okay, so now it's going to the upside again. Okay, that's a possibility for this one, as long as it holds. Okay, So if you want to trade this one from bottom up, okay, we are currently in our 0.618. Okay, so if we put it from the bottom here, then we are currently exactly at the 0.618. Okay, to this uptrend. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, okay, basically it starts here, and then we found support here. So I think this is a strong support. So I think this is a good time to open long position also. Okay, so we just need to break this trend line to the downside. Okay, this is the trend line to the downside. Okay, breakout price will be from bottom to top. Okay, that's our price target right here. Okay, so you can expect a massive move for Binance BNB coin. Okay, in our awesome oscillator, let's see if it's already double bottom. Okay, this is already double bottom. See it? Double bottom. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame, and this is twin peaks to the downside. Okay, not much volume. Okay, not much volume. So we are expecting a divergence. Okay, we are expecting a divergence to the upside. Okay, if you can enter here, then you can make money in BNB to the upside. Okay. Okay, cheers to that. Okay. So let me pull out some trend line. Trend base fib extension. From bottom to top. Bottom here. Okay. So if this is a price target, okay, okay, our price target will be in 0.786 and 1 and 0.618. Okay, cheers to that one. Okay, so you're asking how to claim a message our Telegram. Message our Telegram community, okay? Message our you can message our T-Scholar welcomer, okay? Well, message our T-Scholar welcomer that you are winner. Okay, here, Chris Cruz 5 USDT, Amaya Shin 10 USDT, and John Zamudio 20 USDT, okay? So to claim, message T-Scholar, okay? You can claim it right away. Okay, as long as they see that you have your Ulian account already and you are there, okay? So you have shared also, okay? Okay, so just message they are admin, okay? They are admin, T-Scholar welcomer. You can message them, okay? Okay. So how to trade this Binance? We will be sharing it in our Telegram community, okay? So this is for BNB. Okay. Do we have any other coin? Okay, let's check other coin. XRP. Okay, XRP. Gabriel, let's check your suggestion. XRP. You forgot my name, sir. RJ. Yeah. So at least now you commented, so I remember again. Okay? So always comment so I can always remember. Okay. So Gabriel, let's check XRP. Thank you for suggesting XRP. Okay, so this is our XRP. This is our crucial support area. And we got support here. We found support here. Okay, look at this one. support, 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 resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, and then support. Okay, so that's how strong that one. If I pull it even here, we call this kind of support a multi-time frame support resistance. Okay, so the more time frame it supports and resisted, then the stronger it becomes. Okay, so it's not only a 4-hour time frame support resistance, but it's been a support in December 6, December 13. Okay, so that's how important that is. We are not yet here in the bottom, but we can expect more, that we can find more support in this area. Okay, so how to trade XRP? We need to break this trend line to the downside. Okay. Okay. Message, okay, message our Telegram, message our TS welcomer, okay? Sinupresa kasi ako ng hubby ko advance celebration sa Valentine's Day. Right. Yes, cheers to that one. She got surprised. Yes, no problem, no problem. At least you enjoyed your day, right? That's more. That's more than the raffle, yeah? Right. We rejoice with you with that. 1 hour time frame. Our time frame. Okay, this one we get support in 0.618. If we move this to the beginning here, we found support in 0.5. Okay, and then we bounce and got rejected in 0.236. So put it here. Okay. Then let's find the trend base. Okay, bottom, high, and then low. Okay, so this is for our XRP. Okay, so for our XRP 0.75, our 0.5 bouncing area. So this is a good bouncing area. If we hold, we are now being resisted in 0.382. Okay, this is strong resistance also in this area right here. Okay, multi time frame support also. Okay, so 0.382. So if we break past here, then we can expect more to the upside. Okay, so we need to break past 0.236, 0.8236. Okay, and then 8460. Then we can continue more to the upside again. Okay, so this is for our XRP. Okay, so the specific signals we will be giving in our practical. Okay, so I hope you will be able to join our Telegram community. Okay, it's a safe community, so nothing to worry, and we are active also. We have 36 members. Okay, so trading in this area with our signals. Okay, so make sure you join our practical also. Okay, for as low as 100 USDT to start, because if you only have 20 USDT, how can you trade well, right? It's hard to trade with little account. Okay, so you will have hard time. Okay, we will not be able to teach you some risk management, some other stuff with those little capital. Okay, so at least we can start growing. If from your 100 we grow it to 500, and then you get updated to this level. Okay, exclusive. Okay, so we'll grow your fund here 100 to 500, and then after you reach 500, then we can continue to grow this one. Okay, that's our goal right there. Okay, and of course, if you want to make $500, you need at least to be willing to lose $250. Okay, that's how it works. That's how it works. Your risk tolerance. It's all about your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to take risk? Okay? So, if you want to make $500, at least you have a capital of $5,000. Okay? So, it will be easy. $500. 10% profit. Then, you make already $500. Okay? So, that's how it works. Okay? So, thank you for joining our live today. So, who else joined our raffle for this week? So, those who commented, 20 USDT will be added, okay? And I just hope that once you are in the raffle, you are also in the Sunday raffle, okay? And don't be late and comment right away, okay? Maya Sheen. Okay. RA. So, for those who wants to join, okay. Angela. Myla. And then Gabrielle. Yeah. Yes, Stephanie Natividad. Okay, Ariel. Natividad. Ariel, and then John Zamudio, and then Cassandra. Madeleine, Mary Madeleine Brogando. And then who else? You can comment 20 USDT, okay? If you want to join our raffle. Jafet is interested, so you can comment now. Yeah, 20 USDT, so you can join for today. Every day is a new entry, okay? So until Sunday, and then if you complete it, then you have 20, you have 7 entries, right? So that would be awesome. So jump Chris Cruz first. Chris Cruz. Okay, so Chris Cruz is our first winner. If you win the 5 USDT, you cannot win the 10 USDT anymore. Okay? Okay, Jafet Camado. Okay. Thank you for joining us again for our raffle. Make sure to follow the steps, okay? Share our live when we start. You share it to Binance community, okay? Because Binance is the most famous community in the Philippines market. So you share it to other groups, okay? So they can also see our live stream. Okay? And from there, let's see what happens. At least you shared it to them also. Okay, and feel free to invite others also to join our community, okay? We have a referral program, okay? So you can make money. If you want to know how to make profit in referring in our community and in our Ulian, you just check to our PS welcomer, okay, in our Telegram community. You just ask here, how can we make money also in referring? Okay, since this is safe, so you will not have any problem with here. So you just ask how, okay? And we are in fact building new community in Africa, and also we are growing fast. Okay, we are building community in Africa and also in South America. Okay, so we are gonna build another team of of customer service, of live streamer that is also based from South America. Okay, so if you know people who wants to be part of this, then you can just message us also. Okay. Okay. All the best, everyone. All the best. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Cheers. See you tomorrow. Same. Tuesday is 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, because we will have some Zoom class in 6 p.m. Okay. All the best. All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and take care of your heart. Okay. All the best. Cheers.
There's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to.